Now those are some hurricane force winds. In fact, major hurricane winds. We saw some wind gusts coming in from Bermuda of over 120 miles an hour. Now, Nicole was a Category 3 storm as it brushed by the island, and you can see here a lot of tree damage. These are some of the first images that we're getting. Obviously, Bermuda well prepared for storms like this, but still, this is a major one. Take a look at Nicole from space. Isn't this remarkable? An incredible view from it, and you can also see it in this other view as we take a look at the current stats on it. Our visible satellite here showing Nicole at a Category 2 now. So we've come down with those maximum sustained winds as it pulls away from Bermuda at a very fast clip of 21 miles an hour. Watch this computer model as it shows that those rain bands are really going to let up, and we're not going to be seeing much more effects, those winds coming down by the time we get to early Friday morning. This is the direction of Nicole, not going to be impacting the U.S. or any other land as it goes out into the North Atlantic and dies.